Hello everybody. Guess what? I'm in the car on my way to Echo Bravo Kilo Tango to the airport. I have some spare time and the weather is looking pretty good. So we will try to get the Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel out of the hangar for a spin. So see you at the hangar. So we have arrived at the hangar. We are now at the airport of Kortrijk, Echo Bravo Kilo Tango, and we will get the aircraft out of the hangar. It's the Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel. It's a Grop 115, and yeah, we're gonna take her for a spin. So follow me in. Also, my buddy Dirk is here. Say hello to Dirk. Hello, Dirk. So in the pre-flight inspection of the aircraft, we saw a little issue with the indication of climb or descent. That's our vertical speed indicator. So the needle was a bit positive, so we have to adjust that before we go flying. That's why a pre-flight inspection is always important before flying.
So we have a problem with the vario.
Yes, folks, we have a problem with the vario. You know the vario, it's the attitude indicator, not the attitude, the altitude indicator. When the airplane goes up, the needle goes up. When the airplane goes down, the needle goes down. But
the vario.
you can see, just see the needle of the vario, the vertical speed indicator is showing a positive indication, and it's not normal. It has to be neutral.
And we are not climbing.
So, not climbing. So I will try to adjust that a little bit. So we take a screwdriver, and if you look closely, there is a little screw here. So we will take our screwdriver and we will adjust the needle until it is on the neutral position, and that's all what it takes, folks. So the needle is adjusted, we are good to go.
Hi.
Identify some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed.
So from here on, something went wrong with the recording. I had mounted the GoPros in the cockpit, but for some reason they did not record the flight from here in Echo Bravo Kilo Tango to Ursel. So yeah, I'm very sorry for that, but hey, no worries. On the way back from Ursel to Echo Bravo Kilo Tango Kortrijk-Wevelgem, the cameras worked. They did what they had to do, so it all worked fine. So we will skip this first part and go to the return flight from Ursel to Kortrijk.
canopy pedals closed, canopy is nog open. Flaps retracted, dat is goed. Trim. Good. Circuit breakers all in. Carby heat, cold. Brakes on the toes. Fuel selector is on. Anti-cool is on. Hier tot nog een toon, merci. Master switch is on. Mixture. Full fuel pump. And the fuel pressure checked. And checked. Throttle. Voilà. Clear. Oil pressure is good. Okay. Avionics on. Yes, fuel pump off. Pressure okay. And the avionics are on.
Golf, proceed, wind from the right, 5 knots.
Roger. Delta Papa Delta Hotel, calling Ursel Radio.
Delta Hotel, go ahead.
Delta Hotel, requesting taxi for via flight to Kortrijk.
Delta Hotel, we have runway 07 in use, QNH 1019er, and report ready at the holding 07.
17 in use, QNH is 1019er, and will report when ready, Delta Hotel.
Makiek 6.
Engine and final.
Of course, copy to Mike Charlie, beginning of downwind, runway 07, touch and go.
To Mike Charlie, report base.
Report base, off to Mike Charlie. And Charlie uniform, short final.
Run it. Taxi gaan we later doen. Brakes on the toes, engine and instruments. All looking good. And temperature. Een beetje laag, maar dat is normaal. 105 is okay. Mixture is full rich. The throttle 2000.
En Oscar Charlie uniform is okay.
Uniform.
Oscar Mike Alpha lining up and taking off runway 07.
Okay, yep. Magneto drop.
And of course, copy to Mike Charlie is turning
but he's my right.
And I have traffic on my right side. The hotel November.
Normal drop, both.
That's the Servo Ringo well position behind you.
Left. Normal drop.
Merci.
Both indicating carby heat.
Report final.
Checked. The vacuum gauge is indicating on the mixture test. Okay. And throttle idle. Stays running. All okay. Compasses east. East and an altitude indicator is set. We are ready for the taxi to the holding point.
Taxi at intersection 07 crossing.
Oscar Mike Alpha, report base.
Report base of Mike Alpha.
Oh. Yahoo!
And November Hotel Bravo is short final 07 for the full stop.
November Hotel Bravo, proceed, wind from the right, 5 knots. Delta Hotel, proceed at your own discretion, the wind from the right, 5 knots.
Delta Hotel is landing up. All yours. Yes.
Speak to Mike Alpha is now turning final for the approach, go round.
Speak to Mike Alpha.
Yes. Okay. Instruments are all in the green. Compass is checked. Heels on the floor. Speed is alive. And there we go.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the
Delta Hotel is leaving your frequency to contact Brussels information.
Delta Hotel, have a nice flight, bye-bye.
Alright. Brussels information, good afternoon, Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel.
Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel, Brussels information, goedemiddag.
Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel is a drop 115 on our way from Echo Bravo Uniform Lima to Echo Bravo Kilo Tango, currently at 1,500 feet, now squawking at 2,000.
Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel, regional QNH 1017.
Regional QNH is 1017, Delta Echo Papa Delta Hotel. Delta Hotel, turning left base.
Keep coming back to you. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me that.
Delta Hotel, turning final 24 full stop. A little bit of overshoot.
Wind variable from the south, 5 knots.
Okay. Maps. Space shuttle approach. Yes.
Delta Hotel, requesting crossing 24.
Crossing approved.